What is up, people? I'm about to meet one of my followers. I don't even want to say it like that. She like the homie now, you know what I mean? Supported me like when I had no followers at all, so. But we about to fly here. Her name's Frankie. Forgot her at, but it's like something Frankie, I think, maybe. But yeah, she's like the homie now, so. They came down to visit family. So I'm gonna go hit her up since they came all the way down from Florida. So I'm just gonna meet up with them. Damn, my sidewalls are still cold. Fucking hell. I can feel it. Really? There was two right where I was at.
This dude ran into a pole by himself.
He was putting an address into a GPS and he and then he got himself stuck in the ditch.
Yeah. So many crazy drivers. But if you move here, you get used to it though.
Yeah, but look at how much different it is. The other one is like mad far away.
This is what, 06,
07.
07?
It's the best. It's the best year.
Yeah,
But babe, the ones we saw, that's the older gen, the newer ones they make.
You can sit on it. I don't care.
Yeah, but not as low as mine.
It shouldn't be. Yo, what is up, guys? I'm about to head home. Met one of the homies, Frankie, and her boyfriend. I'll leave the links in the descriptions. It's gonna be one ride home. But yeah, no, it's like 45 now, I think. Cold tires. Remember, cold tires. The air is going down on my like lower back, bro.
My
We got one more run to do, guys, and then we're damn. Yeah. Woo! I am cold.